तो हेलो गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग। तो मैं फिर से वापस आ गया हूँ। तो बात क्या है, आपको ऊपर कुछ दिख रहा होगा आईवी के लिख के, जस्ट फॉरगॉट इट, कुछ नहीं है वो। तो अब बात आती है कि मैं तुमसे वीडियो कॉल बना रहा था, एग्ज़ाम क्लियर था भाई, एग्ज़ाम ख़त्म हो गया, अब वीडियो बनाएगा तुम देखो। तो बात क्या है, आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा दैट हाउ टू मेक अ परफेक्ट voice assistant, and I will guarantee it is better than Alexa, Siri, and any other voice assistant. You can say Jarvis better than Jarvis. Yes. So let's get started. तो गाइस मैं अपनी स्क्रीन पे आ गया हूँ। आप देख सकते हो कि ये कोड है, पर बात ये है मैं आपको पूरा कोड बाद में दिखाऊंगा। आपके पास एक लाइक टारगेट है 100 लाइक्स का, तो मैं आपको इस वीडियो में सिर्फ आउटपुट दिखाऊंगा। पर नेक्स्ट वीडियो में अगर इस वीडियो में 100 कर देते हो तो मैं आपको से कोड भी दिखा दूंगा। तो मैं आपको शुरू करता हूँ। लेट्स स्टार्ट। दिस इज द आउटपुट। हेलो जार्विस, हाउ आर यू?
Hello there, I'm doing well, thank you for asking. How can I help you?
Can you tell me why are you here?
I am here to assist you in any way I can. I have been programmed to optimize your workflow and ensure maximum productivity. Please let me know if there's anything I can do to help you out.
So what can you do?
There are many things you can do with me. Depending on your needs, I can assist with scheduling, reminders, planning and organizing, researching, and analysis. I can also provide you with data-driven insights to help you make better decisions. Let me know which tasks you'd like help with and I'll be happy to assist.
What can you, then how are you different from Alexa and Siri?
I'm different from Alexa and Siri because I offer a more comprehensive set of features that are tailored towards business users. I have been specifically designed to optimize business processes and enable you to make data-driven decisions. My deep learning capabilities along with my natural language processing enable me to understand complex questions and provide actionable insights. In addition, I have more robust analytics and reporting capabilities than either Alexa or Siri.
Actually, I have one book, The Adventure of Rusty. Who have wrote that?
The Adventure of Rusty was written by Richard Van Ash.
Is it written by Ruskin Bond also?
Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. He has written over 500 short stories, essays, and novels. His works include The Room on the Roof, The Blue Umbrella, The Eyes of a Desperado, Our Trees Still Grow in Denra, and The Night Train at Deola.
Can you name some best actor of Bollywood?
Some of the best actors of Bollywood include Amir Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, Amitabh Bachchan, Ajay Devgan, Ranbir Kapoor, Akshay Kumar, Irfan Khan, and Anil Kapoor.
Nice.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Actually, I want to buy a phone ranging from 1 lakh to 2 lakh, which is best for me for gaming.
Depending on your budget and gaming preferences, the best phones for gaming are the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, OnePlus 8 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro Max, Asus ROG Phone 3, and Google Pixel 4 XL. All of these phones offer features such as high refresh rates, quad cameras, large batteries, and powerful processors that are well suited for gaming.
थोड़ा सस्ता फोन थोड़ा सा।
If you are looking for a budget phone, some good options would be the Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite, Motorola Moto G5G, Oppo A53, Realm 7 5G and Samsung Galaxy A32 5G. All of these phones offer good value for money, while also providing powerful processors, long battery
Let's
life,
see something.
and smooth gaming experience.
सैमसंग गैलेक्सी A32 5G की कॉस्ट कितनी है भाई?
The Samsung Galaxy A32 5G currently retails for around $249.
Please convert $214 in rupees.
This amounts to approximately 18,150 rupees.
सस्ता फोन है यार.
If you are looking for a budget phone, some good options would be the Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite,
chup.
Motorola Moto G 5G, Oppo A53, Realm 7 5G, and Samsung Galaxy A32 5G. All of these phones offer good value for money, while still providing powerful processors, long battery life, and a smooth gaming experience.
मुझे बताते हैं नाम क्या है रे?
The names of the budget phones I mentioned earlier are the Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite, Motorola Moto G 5G, Oppo A53, Realm 7 5G, and Samsung Galaxy A32 5G.
तेरा नाम क्या है रे?
My name is Diofantin. I am a virtual assistant created to help you with tasks like scheduling, planning, and researching.
तेरा नाम डियोफिंटन क्यों रखा है?
I was named after the ancient Greek mathematician Diophantus, who was known for his work in solving algebraic equations. The developers thought the name was fitting for an AI assistant that specializes in helping people with business processes, research, and analytics.
What is your name, Jarvis or Diofinton? मैं पागल हो गया यार, बेटा क्या पूछ रहा है इससे?
My name is Diofantin.
According to you, which is best school in Pashchim Vihar, New Delhi?
According to reviews and ratings, some of the best schools in Pashchim Vihar, New Delhi are the Shri Ram School, St. Thomas's School, the Khaitan School, Delhi International School, and Gurugram International School.
भाई सच बोला है उसने यार. Very good bro.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Can you tell which is the nearest place to me right now?
I can certainly help you with that. I will need to know your location in order to do so.
My location is A5346 Pashchim Vihar, New Delhi.
According to your location, the nearest places to you are Alvira Park, DLF City Center Mall, New Life Family Church, Perwaina Road Park, and Sanathandaram Mandir.
सच बोल रहे हैं अरे? According to you, which is the best music school in Delhi?
According to reviews and ratings, some of the best music schools in Delhi are Adi Performing Arts Academy, Delhi School of Music, the
Delhi
Music
Music
School,
and Delhi
Tarang
Music.
School of Music, and Delhi Classical Music Center.
Okay, bye Jarvis. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. If there is anything else I can do for you, let me know. Have a great day.
तो आपने जारविस देख लिया होगा, जरूर आपको पसंद तो आया होगा. इस जारविस के अंदर इतनी चीज़ें हैं ना, लगी आपको मैंने आपसे 1% चीज़ दिखाई है. इस जारविस में मैंने हैकिंग करवाई है, मैंने इसके अंदर ऐसी चीज़ें करवाई है. फॉर एग्जांपल ये अपना कोड खुद लिख सकता है पाइथन का. आई होप आपको एक चीज़ पसंद आई होगी. तो अगर आपको कोड चाहिए तो इस वीडियो पे आप 100 से ज़्यादा लाइक कर दीजिए, ज़रूर वीडियो आएगी. तो बाय, आपसे बातें मिलता हूँ मैं.